arising from the
Yes,
evidence.
yes. You can go ahead.
Yes. Firstly, I would like to clarify one aspect before I get into the new. Do you know how accused number 1 arrived at Silverton police station? When was he booked out from Valeria police station to Silverton?
I do not know, my lord. However, I know that when a station, Valeria had tested positive, my lord, for COVID, my lord, then they would be moved.
Ukuthi ke wahamba wayofika kanjani ke eSilverton umsolo wokhala angikwazi lokho kodwa ke ngikwaziyo ukuthi ke kwakhona ke la kwakutholakala khona ke ukuthi kwaku testwe positive khona eValeria kwaloko okwaphoqa ke ukuthi manje abahanjiswe.
My instruction is that accused number 1 denies that he ever or you ever approach him in relation to the assault in Silverton.
My lord,
Unqualified Nyazi.
my lord, I can confirm, my lord, that I did, my lord, ask him, my lord, about the allegations.
Ngaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ke ngambuza ke umsolo wokuqala ngazo insolo.
The reason why I'm saying this, accused number 1 says he did not say the police officers of Silverton assaulted him. He said, I wanted to be transferred to a prison from Silverton because he is being assaulted when he is at the police stations. This is what he said.
Sorry, let's take it slow.
Yes.
He says he did not say the police officers
Of Silverton
assaulted him.
him.
Yeah, what did he say?
He says he wanted to be transferred from Silverton police station
Right?
to prison because the police officers and the investigating officers are assaulting him when he is kept.
Because the investigating officers and or are assaulting him.
Assaulting him when he is kept at the police stations. This is what he told the court.
I see.
And he further said the record of the 10th of July 2020 could have been erroneously recorded to mean SAPS officers of Silverton.
Umeli wakho lana ke Mr. Sibiya ulungisa ke lenkulumo eshiwo ke ngaphambili ukuthi wena ke okushoyo ke na ke ukuthi awushongo ukuthi amaphoyisa ase Silverton police station iwona ke akushayayo kodwa ke okushilo ukuthi ucela nje ukuthi ushintshwe uhanjiswe ke ususwe la epolice station yase Silverton uhanjiswe ke usiwe ejele ngoba abaphenyi noma ke abaseshi baloke icala uma use police station bayakushaya kungenzeka ukuthi kwaba nephutha ke ku recording noma ke ku record yange 10 zika July 2020 ukuthi bakuzwa ungathi wena uthi ushaywa amaphoyisa ase Silverton kodwa wena uthi cha ukazi kusho lokho.
May I request Your Lordship, the witness, to reread that entry on the 10th of July so that it can make sense.
Entry from which police station?
10th July? Tembisa Court.
Hello?
Exhibit 00.
At court.
At court. Exhibit 00
Yeah.
on the 10th of July 2020.
Okay.
Just to read it slowly.
The witness had asked me to assist in looking.
Yes.
The accused, I can't read, my lord, what is written, assaulted by SAPD Silverton.
SAPD.
PD.
Silverton.
Silverton, my lord.
Right?
And my lord, my lord, the handwriting is not clear. However, I don't see anything, my lord, being mentioned of investigators.
Lana ke kubhalwe ukuthi ke umsolwa ke uthi washaywa ke amaphoyisa ase Silverton but it says his attorney, but I don't see the first word. Kodwa ke angiboni lutho la ekhuluma ngabaseshi noma ke amaphenyi.
I ask you to read, not to comment on the thing.
The accused, I can't read, my lord, this word, assaulted by SAPD Silverton. Being assaulted by SAPD Silverton.
Yes.
Don't see.
Sorry?
Whether it's don't see his attorney.
But
But it is something.
why don't you read it, all of you? I mean, please.
Yes.
My lord, if I can assist, we tried to transcribe it yesterday.
What does it say?
It says the accused being assaulted by SAPD Silverton, don't see his attorney,
What don't?
don't see his attorney, violation of his rights, need to be kept at correctional services, been there since his arrest, rights to be heard, or request to be held at Modabi prison. That's the sense that we could make of it.
Okay, fine. Yes, Mr. Mugweza.
My question is, will you agree with me that it does not specify, it did not say he was assaulted by the police of Silverton. There's an omission of meaning it does not specify that by the police, but he never said of Silverton.
As I put this, my lord, speaks for itself. It has just been read out.
No.
So this police, where are they stationed?
That's-
In hell or heaven?
No, that's misinterpretation, my lord. That's misinterpretation if we will include that preposition.
So, wait, yeah, I hear you, but you are saying now your client did not say he was being assaulted by police
of
Silverton.
That's correct.
What is he saying?
It
Because there's
entails-
SRPD being assaulted. What does that mean? SRPD.
My lord, the person who can best describe that is the one who wrote that entry.
SAPD, my lord.
Oh, it's SAPD.
Yes.
Yes.
It's an Afrikaans.
Oh,
Afrikaanse Polisiediens.
South African
Yeah.
Police Dienst. Do we accept that it is? South African Police Dienst.
Yeah.
But he was at Silverton.
He was at Silverton.
Although he doesn't say he was assaulted by the police at Silverton.
That's correct.
But he was at Silverton.
He was at Silverton.
And he wants to go to Modapi.
To Modapi.
Okay.
That's the.
Mr. Baloyi, any interpretation of that?
Well, we go along with that interpretation. Yes.
Okay.
That the deceased is being assaulted by SAPD, sorry, the accused The accused being assaulted by SAPD Silverton.
That's what it says.
Yes.
Okay, fine. But then, Mr. Gomez, you see your instructions are that he was actually being assaulted by the investigating officers.
That's correct. May I,
Which ones?
may
Because
I approach him?
they don't have names. And I'm asking this because allegedly your client was involved in other cases besides the 636 Phosphorus case.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, may I? As requested by the court in terms of the names of the officers that assaulted.
Yeah, because he was assaulted.
Yes.
Now he should be able to give you the names of those people who assaulted him.
That's correct, my lord. May I just enlist them? May I mention them?
Yes. Yeah.
Ngamane,
Nabake abantu
Ngamane.
ababizwa laba abashaya umsolo wokuqala uNcamane,
the witness, Sergeant Mohola.
ufakazi
Even she assaulted him.
She also assaulted.
uSergeant Mukhola
Mabena, the late,
ongasekho uMabhena,
Buthelezi, the EMPD members, that is Buthelezi,
yilaba be-EMPD uButhelezi,
Jonathan,
uJonathan,
Mapumulo.
Maphumulo.
Yeah, that's the names of the.
Iwona-ke lawa amagama alabo athi bamshaya.
And to clarify the question asked by the court, I've indicated from the witness, I'll come to this. I've indicated, ma'am, that will you be able to assist the court with the OB of Valeria when accused number 1 was booked out from Valeria to Silverton? Do you have such records?
What will be the date?
The date will be the... No, my lord, the date cannot be speculated, but the last time accused number 1 was at Valeria, let me just
The client should
confirm
be able
it.
to tell you they transferred me from Valeria because of COVID, the first week of March or whatever. He must be able to say that.
But there must be an entry as well.
No, we'll come to the end. But
Yes.
he must be able to say,
That's why I
was
want-
transferred from Valeria on such and such a time and taken to Silverton.
Yes.
Just take instructions.
It doesn't matter. My lord, I just got it from my colleague that he said, the accused said he doesn't know when he was transferred from Valeria to
So
Silverton.
how are we going, how
It doesn't
are we going
have
to
a
check-
date.
How are we going to check the books? Should we check the books for the whole year? 2020. And I'm not being facetious. 10th of July. Should we check the books for the whole month of July or what?
My lord, as the evidence has pointed, that when accused was transported to Tembisa Court, he was booked out from Valeria police
So
station
it
to
was transferred
court.
on which day? By the way,
The last day which I remember during the examination was
Yeah,
that
what
it
was
was
the
the
date?
30th of June.
30th of June.
30th of June.
That's when he was transferred from Valeria to Tembisa Court.
Yes, my lord.
You were there, ma'am?
In court on the
On the 30th of June.
my lord, every time when he was appearing, my lord, I was in court.
Ngaso sonke isikhathi ke awayevela kubizwa ke la ilanga la nge-30 zika June 2020 ngaso sonke isikhathi ayevela enkantolo ke ngangiba khona.
But the fact of the matter is, that report which he made to the magistrate was on which day of the assault?
Was the 10th of July.
The 10th of
10th of
July.
July.
Yes.
Kwakungeyi-10 zika July uma ke etshela imantshi
And that was the
nalokushaya.
first. Was that the first report of the assault? Any other thing you want to add, sir?
Nothing, man.
No, but you haven't. Oh, your client hasn't denied that this witness says she approached your client on the instructions of Dinanda to say, I'm instructed that I should take a statement from you regarding your alleged assault and take you to hospital.
That's the first thing that I addressed. the
So you
court on.
denied it. He
Yes.
denies it.
He denies
Okay,
that
fine.
the evidence.
Now, has your client, for the edification of this court, has he laid a charge of assault? Because she told the magistrate she was being assaulted. Did she lay a charge? Because he denies that this witness approached him with the exigency of laying a charge. Meromoto, did he lay a charge
No, he-
concerning the assault?
No, man.
Never.
Never.
Not even at the police station, where when they check for any complaints, did he lay a charge there to say, I was assaulted? I even told the court.
My lord, I've canvassed that with the...
He didn't lay a charge.
He didn't lay a charge.
No
but-
charges laid, okay?
My lord, may I address further, according to what he told me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, because he had no opportunity to go and lay a charge against the said police officers who assaulted him.
How come? These are investigating officers. Jonathan Mapumulo, Maholo, Mabena, Butelezi, Ngamani, and he has never laid a charge.
My lord, may I just address, that's why I want to clarify this. Accused number one, at all times, was kept incommunicado in a single cell in Valeria police station.
Yes.
For the first time, he was kept or detained with other inmates at Silverton. There was no opportunity for him to open a criminal charge.
But there was an opportunity to tell the magistrate, sir.
My lord, may I not...
No, we're talking opportunity now.
My
I
lord-
want to understand, because this is serious. This is according to me anyway. If he was assaulted, as he alleges, it is serious, even according to this witness. He says this witness also assaulted him. Now, I must investigate
But my lord,
whether, in fact, there is merit in reporting this witness, for instance.
my lord, may I submit to the fact that there's nothing at this stage that can prevent the accused from laying a charge?
Yes,
against
you said that the other day.
Yes, that's what I've said.
But he hasn't laid a charge.
Yes, but my lord, that cannot,
Stop you from laying a charge.
at any given stage, can lay
Okay,
a charge.
fine, you've heard me. So do you want us to make this court to make an order that all the records of Valeria should be brought in July, and all the records of Silverton should be brought in July, because that's when he told the magistrate. Should I make that order, sir?
Unless it will be in the interest of justice. My lord, I can foresee unreasonable delay in this trial within a trial, because I can see that we are not closer to the finalization of this interlocutory process.
Your colleague wants to...
My Lord, if I may assist, I've just taken instructions. He says the time period should be narrowed for OB purposes. Should be narrowed to the 30th of June to the 5th of July 2020.
And what will we find there? A complaint, because your colleague says he never laid a charge, he never complained. That's the evidence. So why should we bring the books? Because there's nothing we're going to find.
But my Lord, I'm responding in response to the
Again.
question that the court asked earlier, not this other aspect.
Okay, let's continue then. Fine. Any questions, Mr. Baloi? Are you through with the witness?
No further questions. No further questions.
Okay, Donkey, thank you. Ma'am?
Thank you, my lord.